Good afternoon. Today we will study about the transportation problems. There are three methods to solve the transportation problem. First one is nothing but northwest corner rule. Second one is the least cost method, and the third one is the WAM method, Ogen's approximation method. That is the WAM method. Okay, here the transportation method is nothing but in order to supply the goods from one place to another destination, you will get too much of the amount, and we have to spend too much of the time. So by using the transportation technique in a minimum amount of time period as well as minimum amount of the cost, we can travel for all the destination in a less time and with minimum cost. That is the main intention of studying the transportation problem. So first we will study about the northwest corner rule. So they have given the one transportation table. This transportation table, it tells that in order to travel from the origin in the sense first location to the first destination, the cost is 2 rupees. From first origin to second location, it taking 7 rupees. Like this, all the cost is given. Now we have to tell the tricks to travel for all the destinations in a less amount of the expenditure as well as the minimum time period. So for that, the first step is nothing but since we are studying about the northwest corner rule, first we have to start with the northwest among this table. Here in this table, the northwest is nothing but the first corner. This is the northwest place. So for this, you have to allocate the value. Here the demand is 7 and the supply is 5. So compared to supply, the demand is more. So how much it is present in the supply, that is totally supplied for this destination, and among the 7 demands, 5 is supplied. So here it is 7 minus 5, the remaining is nothing but 2. 2 is left in the demand part. So here the total supply is fulfilled from this origin 1, O1. So this row is deleted because it is already stable. Supplied in the sense total how much it is possible, that much is totally fulfilled. So that's why delete this row. Now in the remaining cells, you have to start with again the northwest corner cell. Here the northwest corner, this is the northwest corner cell. Here the demand is 2, supply is 8. No, so the less minimum amount is nothing but by the formula we can also allocate the cell. Here the demand is 2 and the supply is 8. So minimum among this is nothing but 2. So allocate 2 here. Okay, 2 is allocated, that's why it is 2 minus 2, it is 0. Here among 8 supply, you have supplied 2. 2 demand is fulfilled now. So here it becomes 8 minus 2, that is equals to 6. Okay, again 6 is there in the supplied part. So since here column wise we made it as 0, so delete this column. So this is deleted and the first origin 1 is deleted. Now see the remaining cells. In the remaining cells, the northwest corner is this one. Here the demand is 9, supply is 6. So the minimum among this is nothing but 6. So allocate 6 here. So among the 9 demands, 6 is supplied here. So nothing is left in the supplied part. So delete this one. So among 9, they have supplied 6. So the leftover is nothing but 9 minus 6, that is equals to 3. 3 is left in the demand. That leftover demand is fulfilled by another person. Okay. So for that, see the remaining cells 4, 7, 6, 2. In this cell, the northwest corner is nothing but this is the northwest corner. Here the demand is 3, supply is 7. So the minimum among this is nothing but 3. Allocate 3 here. Okay, 3 is allocated, so nothing is left in the demand. Now among 7 supply, 3 is supplied here. Okay, so the leftover is nothing but 7 minus 3, that is equals to 4. Now since you have made it as column wise, it is fulfilled, that's why you have to delete this column. Now the leftover cell is nothing but 7, 2. So here the demand is 18 and the supply is nothing but 4 here. So the less value is nothing but 4. Allocate 4 here. Okay. So 4 is fulfilled. Among 18, 4 supply is fulfilled now. So it becomes 18 minus 4, that is equals to 14. Okay. Now the last one, since row wise you made it as 0, so delete this row. Now the last leftover is one with only one cell, 2. Here the demand is 14 and supply is also 14. So 14 is supplied and demand 14 is fulfilled. So nothing is left over now. Now you have allocated all the cells. You have reached for all destinations. Now the total transportation cost you can calculate. total transportation cost is nothing but allocated cell value with actual value, that is 5 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus now 6 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 7. Like this we have to calculate the total transportation cost, and the total transportation cost will come as 1 or 2 rupees. Okay, in the sense, in this amount, this much of the amount we can expand to travel for all the destinations. This is all about the northwest corner rule.